Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home and also you understand my previous videos which I have already sent you in your group. Apart from this, I also hope that you have installed XAMPP in your system. So firstly, whatever the work we are going to start today, that you have to implement in your system as well as you have to note down the same in your notebook. Okay, if you don't have the notebook, you can do a loose sheets also. Otherwise, it's my advice to you, use a separate notebook for the IP. Okay, but please maintain the notes for the same because it will help you in your exam. So today we will start the SQL queries. Okay, those have the system, they also have to write that same queries in your notebook. Those who don't have the system, they have to write, that is mandatory for them. Okay, but you all have to write the same queries in your notebook as well as implementation. Those who couldn't implement because of the XAMPP is not there, or maybe the system is not working, or any other problem. So it's my request to you, it's my advice to you people, please note it down in your notebook. So let's start. First of all, you have to start the XAMPP control panel. Open the XAMPP. After this, you have to click on start. Then Apache should be start, then MySQL should be start. Okay, then after this, students, what you need to do, when it converted to stop, then you have to click admin button of MySQL. You have to click. When you click on this, it will go to your browser. Okay, you can open it in any browser. So mine, it is going to open in the Edge, Internet Edge. This is the browser. But if you want to open it any other browser, you can. How? Just copy the same address, Control C, and you can use. After this, you can close also. No problem. You can open Mozilla also if you want to use the same in the Mozilla, but it will open in the browser. Okay. Just to show you. So I just paste the same, then enter. So you see the same will be opening here also. Okay, so now in that way you can open in any other browser also. Mine is in the Edge, so I am going to create. So what are the questions which you will going to solve today? These three questions we will do today. First is write a query to create the database campus. Now we will do each and everything by writing the queries. हर एक चीज के लिए हमारे पास queries हैं, वो queries हमें सीखनी है and we have to learn also. Okay. अब क्वेश्चन में क्या था? How you will create the database campus. Database बनाना है campus. Now you see how you can create the database. First of all, after opening this, you have to click this SQL. Then click here also, cursor will come. यहाँ पे आपको क्वेरी लिखनी है create database campus. Okay. Then after that you have to click on go button. Okay, when you click on go button, you see in mine it is error. Why so? Because I already have the campus database in my system. In your, it will not give you any error because you don't have, it's sure. Okay, so create database campus is the query to create the database campus. जब आप गो करोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका जो डेटाबेस कैंपस है वो यहाँ पे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे शो हो जाएगा. Am I clear to you? Okay. Now the next query is write the query to create the table student under the database campus with the following field and also assign the mentioned data types. हमें एक टेबल बनाना है जिसमें ये कॉलम्स लेने हैं हमने. फील्ड मतलब कॉलम, सीरियल नंबर, उसकी डेटा टाइप रखने इंट, देन ब्रैकेट में इट्स अ फील्ड लिमिट, व्हेन आई क्रिएट इट आई विल टेल यू हाउ, देन it's written over there कि it should be primary key also, then serial number, then city, then fee, then date of birth. The data type is mentioned, I have to take the same data type and I have to use these field only which is mentioned. So how you can create the database, उसने बोला under the database campus, तो first of all आपने campus के अंदर जाना है, then you have to click on SQL here. Now here you will grab the to create the query, create टेबल, टेबल क्रिएट करने के लिए क्रिएट टेबल, टेबल का नाम क्या है स्टूडेंट, ओके स्टूडेंट, देन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट द ब्रैकेट, राउंड ब्रैकेट, शिफ्ट प्लस जो 9 के ऊपर होती है, ठीक है, शिफ्ट प्लस दैट 9 न्यूमेरिक वन, देन प्रेस एंटर, ओके, देन योर फील्ड नेम क्या है हमारा, फर्स्ट serial number, so s_n, then what is the data type for that, int, after that in the bracket you need to give size का मतलब होता है कि if you are giving, suppose you are entering the serial number, then how many maximum character can be entered when you enter, suppose serial number is of 1 2 3 4, or if you try to enter 1 2 3 4 5 means combination, जैसे 11 34, ये तो 4 character का, that's fine, but if somebody try to write 11,345 then it won't be accepted because the limit is 4 characters only. So I'm giving you int 4, तो इसको प्राइमरी की बनाना है तो उसके लिए आपको लिखना होता है प्राइमरी की नॉट नल, नॉट नल का मतलब होता है कि दिस फील्ड कैन नॉट बी एम्प्टी इन एनी केस, किसी भी केस में ये फील्ड हमारी खाली नहीं छोड़ सकते हम डेटाबेस में, यू हैव टू राइट द डेटा फॉर दिस, ओके, जब आप मींस व्हेन यू आर ट्राइंग टू फिल द रिकॉर्ड्स then you have to fill this is mandatory, then put one comma there, then is name should be in alphabets, so for the alphabet we will use the varchar, okay, varchar, then the limit I am giving, let's say 25, क्योंकि 25 character का name हो सकता है किसी का भी, then comma, then we have city, then feed and date of birth. So next is city in the alphabet, so I'm going to take varchar only for this also, so let's say 25 is the same city name हो सकता है, then is a comma, then is a let's say fee, the fee can be float also, float मतलब that can be 2000.25 fee, let's say, so I'm going to take in float, you can give the limit also, let's say I'm giving 6, then last is a date of birth is in the I want to give in the date format, so you have to give date, but date में आप कभी भी limit mention नहीं करते, okay, so after completing this you have to close this bracket, okay, you have to close this bracket, okay, so before going to go आप क्या करो, इसको एक बार select करके Control C दबाओ, Shift arrow की से select करके, और you can use this Control C दबा लो, so that any error तो we can paste it, we don't want to write there again, so I just copy the same, then click on go. Now you see table student is there, earlier there was no table, okay, so now the student table is created. Now if you want to see your table, आपने अपना table देखना है, अब आप इसको delete कर सकते हो because our table is created. So if you want to see the entire table, so we have the queries, select star from student, select star from student मतलब it will show you the entire records of the student, but you see the output, I'm clicking on go, you see that MySQL returned an empty result because it will show you nothing here. Why so? Because there is no record in the database till now. सिर्फ उनकी heading आई है, but उसके बीच में कोई record नहीं है. Okay? After creating, inserting the record, I'll show you the same command again. So now this first two queries I have done. Now come to the third one. Write a query to insert 3 own choice records in the above mentioned table. मतलब आपके पास हेडिंग है, उसके नीचे 3 रिकॉर्ड्स आपने डालने हैं. हाउ यू विल पुट दैट? For that we have the insert query. For that आप student table में हो, SQL लिखा, that's fine. Now if you can go student में चले भी जा सकते हो, but make sure insert into student. Insert into student in the bracket. आपने ब्रैकेट में याद रखना है फील्ड हमने कैसे कैसे यूज किया था, ठीक है. फर्स्ट वी हैव serial number, comma, then I use name, then I use city, then I use fee, then I use date of birth. Okay. So आपने जब इंसर्ट करना है तो हाउ यू विल अप्लाई द क्वेरी, इंसर्ट इनटू स्टूडेंट, ब्रैकेट में फील्ड का नेम, देन आफ्टर दिस वैल्यूज. आप कंटिन्यू भी लिख सकते हो बट आई एम राइटिंग इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन. स्टूडेंट नेम, तो सीरियल नंबर के अंदर आप क्या चाहते हो, आई एम गिविंग माय सीरियल नंबर 101. स्टूडेंट नेम, व्हेनेवर यू गिव स्टूडेंट नेम तो यू हैव टू गिव इन जो भी varchar जिस पे डेटा टाइप होते हैं, यू हैव टू गिव इन द सिंगल कोट्स. So I'm giving here, let's say, comma. Then you have a city. City is in the also varchar, so let's say Khanna. Then there is a date of birth. Sorry, fee is there. So let's say I'm going to fill fee. Say 2000.25. Let's say. Then we have date of birth. Date of birth. The format for date of birth is year, month, date. Float value will not come in this. Quotes is not required for this. Then I'm going to give city. So city, fee I have given, date of birth. Format is, so I'm giving say 1997, month, hyphen will be the separator. Then it should be also in the quotes. Then after this, click on the close the bracket. Now you see the whole I'm going to copy, because if something is wrong we can do it again. Now click on go button. You see one row inserted. That means our query is implemented, there is no problem. We have to insert 3 records. For that, देखो this is a primary key, तो you have to change this. So I'm going 102. तो यहाँ पे आप अपनी वैल्यूज चेंज करते जाओ. से राजन, देन इज से यहाँ पे वी हैव कैन राइट समराला, फी लेट इट बी द सेम, डेट ऑफ बर्थ यू जस्ट चेंज द ईयर ओनली, लेट्स से just to show you. Okay, then click on go. Then again one row inserted. So last record I am going to insert now, that is 103. So let's say Parminder Samrala. So here we am going to change the P. So here I am going to change the month. Whatever the changes you can easily do here. Then you have to click. बस इसी में change करते जाऊंगा मैं. Then click on go button. Now you see 3 record is inserted, but how you are able to see the records? It's very simple. For that we have a query which I already implement earlier. Same query I'll use here. Select star from student. Now you click on go button. You see. Now you see the 3 record which I have filled, it is there. So in that way you are able to insert the record. That means according to the question I have inserted the 3 records. Okay, so बेटे याद रखना, first query में the query is create database campus. Okay, create हम जो भी करेंगे, when we creation is there we have to use the create query. Create to create the database, क्योंकि database के अंदर ही टेबल बनते हैं. So you have to write create स्पेस डेटाबेस. डेटाबेस का नेम, डेटाबेस का नेम क्या है, कैंपस. तो आई हैव गिवन, तो वो क्रिएट हो जाएगा. देन यू हैव टू क्रिएट द टेबल स्टूडेंट, बट मेक श्योर जब आप स्टूडेंट क्रिएट करोगे तो आपका कैंपस डेटाबेस सिलेक्ट होना चाहिए. मतलब यू हैव टू क्लिक कैंपस ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, देन यू आर एबल. तो उसके बाद एसक्यूएल पे जाके आपको क्वेरीज लिखनी है. क्रिएट टेबल as earlier I shown you in the video. So accordingly mention the data type, and जब आप go करोगे तो वो आपको ऊपर मैसेज दे देगा सक्सेसफुली क्रिएटेड या टेबल क्रिएटेड. ओके, then we have to insert query. Insert query I already told you, insert into याद रखना है. insert into के बाद टेबल का नेम इन दी ब्रैकेट ऑन दी फील्ड नेम में कुछ नहीं देना, कॉमा कॉमा डाल के फील्ड नेम, देन ब्रैकेट, देन वैल्यूज के बाद याद रखना व्हेन सिर्फ न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू जो है विच इज इंटीजर एंड फ्लोट वैल्यू, वो वैल्यूज कभी भी सिंगल कोट्स में नहीं आती. रेस्ट ऑल वैल्यूज विल बी इन द सिंगल कोट्स. कॉमा कॉमा डाल के सेपरेटर, बट डेट देनी है या वेर कैर की कोई वैल्यू है, इट शुड बी इन द सिंगल कोट्स, देन ब्रैकेट खोलो, देन गो, then it will be implemented. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. So please see it. and ये जो query आप करवाई हैं तीनों की तीनों आपने नोटबुक पे लिखनी है. Okay, मतलब whole query to create the table student, create the database also, then insert the query for the insert the record in the table student. वो insert query जो आपने लिखनी है वो आप नोटबुक पे 3 टाइम थ्राइस लिखोगे. मतलब फर्स्ट टाइम फर्स्ट वाली वैल्यू, फर्स्ट रिकॉर्ड की वैल्यू, सेकंड टाइम सेकंड की वैल्यू, थर्ड टाइम थर्ड की वैल्यू. सो इन दैट वे यू कैन डू दिस in your notebook. I hope it is clear to you. So thank you. Have a nice day.